Hey guys, this is a review video on 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. I know this is something that we kind of struggled with somewhat, and so I wanted to make this video so that you can maybe watch it at home and have some practice. So we are going to be doing the box method. I know especially for any parents that are watching, that's new to them. It was new to me as well, so don't feel bad. This is the method that our math curriculum has them using. They will also learn the standard way of it in just a few weeks. But I'm going to review how to do the box method so that you can understand it and the students can review. So what you want to do first is you have a 2-digit by 2-digit problem, 22 times 43. You want to make sure you have the same amount of boxes that you do numbers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So you want to make sure you have the same amount of boxes that you do digits, not numbers. I'm sorry, digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take 22, because it's first, and expand it into expanded form. So how you would do that is you would split it up in between the tens place and the ones place. You have a 2 in the tens place, which is actually a 20 because it's in the tens place. And you have a 2 in the ones place. 20 plus 2 would equal 22. What you're going to do is you're going to take your 20 plus 2. Go ahead and write that on the top part of your box. You're going to do the same thing with 43. We're going to split that up into tens, which would be 40. And 3, which would be the ones place. Now it's time to multiply these numbers. So the way this works, how I describe it to you guys, is imagine that there is a line coming from the 20 all the way down here, and a line coming from the 40. So wherever the lines meet, those are the numbers that you want to multiply together. 20 times 40. An easier way to do that would be 2 times 4, which is 8. And then you want to put your zeros back. So 20 has 1 0. 40 has 1 0. It would be 800. So now you're going to draw an imaginary line from the 3. That meets the 20. So you're going to multiply 20 and 3. An easy way to do that is to say 2 times 3 is 6, and add your zeros back to the problem. 20 has 1 0. You have 60. Right, you're going to do the same thing for these two boxes over here. You're going to continue on with your 40 line, coming from the 40 all the way over, coming from the 3 all the way over, and you're going to bring your line down from the 2. 40 times 2. 4 times 2 would be 8. You're going to add back your 0 from the 40, which would be 80. 3 times 2 is 6. You don't have any zeros to add back, so you're good with that. All right, your last step here is to add all of these numbers together. So we're going to add 800 plus 80 plus 60 plus 6. I like to go ahead and add my numbers from largest to smallest. That just keeps everything lined up and it's easier to add that way. So you have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6. That'll give you a 6. 0 plus 8 plus 6 would be 14. 8 plus the 1 that we carried from the 14 would be 9. So your answer, 22 times 43, is 946.